Question of the day. The number of ways of distributing 20 identical balloons among 4 children such that each child gets some balloons but no child gets an odd number of balloons is.
Here each child gets some balloons, which can also be said that each child have greater than equal to 1 balloon. Now let's assume that first child have A. Number of balloons. Second child have B. Number of balloons. Third child have C. Number of balloons. And the fourth child have D. Number of balloons. And the total number of balloons are 20. But here in the question it is mentioned that no child gets an odd number of balloons. So, we will multiply A, B, C, D with 2 to get the even number of balloons.
So, now the equation is to A plus to B plus to C plus to D which is equal to 20. Let's take 2 as common. Now let's divide this 2 with 20, which gives us 10. So, our final equation is A plus B plus C plus D which is equal to 10. Now, to solve this we will use 9C3. If you want to know the reason, please click on the I button and check out our natural number video. So, 9C3 is equal to 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial 9 minus 3 factorial, which give us the answer 84. So, there are 84 ways of distributing 20 identical balloons among 4 children.
For more updates follow the FT World on Instagram and subscribe the FT World on YouTube.